Today we'll elevate an ordinary portrait into a high-end editorial image like magazine covers. Start by smoothing the skin using gentle frequency separation. Don't overdo it. The goal is clean but natural skin. Next, boost micro-contrast around the eyes, lips, and jawline to add sophistication. Introduce muted colors, soft beiges, warm browns, or desaturated blues to match editorial palettes. Add a faint matte finish using curves, then lift the blacks for a premium look. Drop a minimal shadow near the subject to simulate studio lighting. End by refining highlights for a glossy, polished feel. Your portrait now carries that sleek fashion magazine presence.
Let's begin the transformation.